Celebrate the woman that does win. Don't spread hate. One of the things that I've always said makes pageantry so great is the fan base and the support that each young woman gets competing on that stage. And one thing I always would say to the delegates is there can only be one winner. And I really do believe it's someone's destiny. I never knew who was going to win before, and it really is. It is someone's moment, and it's their destiny to carry that title as judges, and so therefore you're going to be disappointed, but you have that moment of being disappointed, and then hopefully you can celebrate the person that wins. And that's the same thing, I think, for the fans. It's hard as a judge. We're doing the best we can. We're excited, we're nervous. We just hope that we all come together and collectively we pick the woman it's her destiny. But I know as you all get disappointed, inevitably it's only one country that's going to win. And that's when the hate starts, and it makes it so easy on social media to attack people or say, oh, the show was cooked, or get angry. And I was used to it because I would hear it for 20 years, and especially as social media got bigger. But for new judges, it's really hard to get that hate and to have such vitriol. Everybody is celebrating so much right now, and everyone's excited. But everyone is going to experience some disappointment tomorrow. Almost everyone. There's going to be one winner, and one country is going to be very excited. But it's hard to win. The numbers are against you. I mean, and the fact, that's what makes it so special when you do win, because you're beating the odds, and what a great moment when you are able to celebrate. But please just try to remember to celebrate the woman that does win. Don't spread hate, don't attack people, and just know that it's fair, and we're doing the best that we can, and we're looking forward to it, but hope that everybody can understand. We're human too.
So mga kapolitika, inyo pong napanood itong si Paula Shugart dahil isa po siya sa mga maging hurado dito sa Miss Cosmo 2025. So usap-usapan po itong kanyang sinabi dito sa mundo ng social media dahil minuto na lang po ang ating hinihintay at atin nang masasaksihan ang Miss Cosmo 2025. Makikita na rin po natin ang mga umaatikabong na performance ng bawat delegate sa kanya-kanyang mga bansa. So ating pag-uusapan itong kanyang sinabi dahil ang sabi dito sa mga comment section na ating nabasa ay patama daw ito sa mga Pinoy at doon sa mga nangbabatikos sa winner, kasi ang sabi ni Paula Shugart ay itong pagkapanalo daw sa mga beauty contest, it's a matter of destiny. So ibig sabihin, kung time mo na talaga or panahon mo na, ay talagang ikaw ang mananalo at kokoronahan. So nagtatanong kasi ang mga netizen, mga kapolitika, bakit may paganitong video si Paula Shugart at bakit ito pinost dito sa social media. Sabi naman ng mga netizen ay baka patama daw ito sa mga Filipino supporters, na kung saan ay alam naman natin yung nangyari sa sa kompetisyon ni ating Samana last year dito sa Miss Cosmo. At bakit merong mga pa-warning itong si Paula Shugart na ang sabi niya ay isa lang ang magiging winner, which is true enough naman. Isa naman talaga ang magiging winner, pero ang sa atin kasi dito is hinahanap natin yung tinatawag na equality, yung kumbaga patas-patas yung laban, kasi ito nga ay isang beauty competition, diba? So ayaw natin na yung isang kandidata ay manglamang siya sa kapwa niya kandidat. Dapat is pantay-pantay at patas ang maging laban, kasi lahat naman dito nang sumali sa Miss Cosmo is nagbayad ng mga franchise at nagpagod, nag-effort sila, at even nga tayo ngayon is talagang milyones ang inilabas ng LGU ng Sultan Kudarat para lang dito sa mga botohan kay Chelsea Fernandez. So I believe at tayo ay naniniwala na baka nagbabasa-basa rin ng mga comment itong si Paula Shugart, kasi alam niya yung mga post dito sa social media na merong mga hateful mga comments, mga hateful na mga memes dito sa social media, or baka inutusan siya ng organization na magsalita dito sa mga bashers, sa mga cyber bullies. Okay, so hindi natin alam kung ano yung pinupunto ni Paula Sugar, bakit siya nagsalita ngayon, at ang sabi nga nila ay baka daw na guilty doon sa nangyari last year. So ang sa atin lang naman is gusto lang naman natin makita na patas yung maging laban ng kompetisyon. Yun lang naman, kasi ang mga Pilipino naman is marunong naman tumanggap. Okay, so bakit pa magsalita? At si Atisa naman is wala naman din siyang sinabi against dito sa Miss Cosmo. So kung makipag-celebrate man, I believe yung isang kandidata or even yung mga supporters niya doon sa nanalo, hindi mo pwedeng i-please yung yung mga tao na magustuhan ka. Kung sa tingin, kasi alam naman ng mga tao, transparent naman yung performance, makikita naman kung ikaw ay deserve or hindi. So hindi mo pwedeng i-please yung mga tao na gustuhin mo yung isang kandidata kahit hindi naman nakita naman doon na bias ang naging resulta, di ba? So baka naman itong sinabi ni Paula Sugar dito sa video na ito ay baka warning na ito para sa mangyayari or magganap dito sa Miss Cosmo, kasi naglabas mga kapolitika yung Missosology, itong si Pawi Ventura ng kanyang hot pick, at according sa kanya is possibility is USA daw yung makurahan, and then si Chelsea Fernandez daw is first runner up lang. At base rin doon sa mga comment ng mga Vietnamese, nakita natin na kung si USA daw yung kukurnahan is okay lang sa kanila, kasi good speaker daw itong si USA, kahit pa hindi maganda yung kanyang catwalk doon, yung kanyang pagrampa. Okay, so ano pa yung essence ng competition mga kapolitika, diba? Kung gumastos ka ng milyon-milyon, then nag-perform ka talaga, makita talaga na performer ka talaga doon sa kanilang papageant, sa kanilang labanan, and then ililigwak ka, diba? Parang masakit yun sa part rin ng isang kandidata. At sana yun ay maintindihan rin ni Paula Sugar, kasi hindi naman robot ang mga tao na mapilit mo na gustuhin yung isang kandidata kahit hindi naman deserve. Okay, so bigyan niya ng kalayaan ng demokrasya ang mga tao na mamili kung sino yung preferred nila, kung sino yung gusto nila. So yun ang ating maging reaksyon at ang ating maging opinion. Kung kayo ang tatanungin mga kapolitika, sino kaya itong pinapatamaan ni Paula Sugar dito sa kanyang naging video sa post sa social media, mga Pilipino kaya ang kanyang pinapatungkulan? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Hello stars and low fellow pageant lovers, this is your Diva Star. Tonight is the night. Who will be the next or second Miss Cosmo International? And of course, we are all rooting for our queen Chelsea Fernandez, whom for me really gave a consistent, powerful, and beautiful performances all throughout her stint as Miss Cosmo International. And for me, that's more than enough for her to be the next Miss Cosmo. I just hope that the judges would see her consistency, and I hope that they would also see that she's someone who could really transform. She's more of a chameleon, not just physically, but more of a chameleon in terms of she could easily adapt as to whatever type of environment you put her in. And I just love her. She has a very nice personality. From afar, you can feel her warmth and sincerity, and that's why I always call her the well-loved queen of the Philippines. So I really wish you the best of luck, Chelsea, and no matter what the results will be, but of course I'm manifesting that you'll be our second Miss Cosmo na malakas sa pambawi from what happened last year, diba? But you know, I know that you gave it your all, and that's more than enough, diba? Ika nga. But for those who are asking where to watch Miss Cosmo, sa Miss Cosmo YouTube channel at 8 p.m. Manila time. Take note, 8 p.m. Manila time. And if you also have AXN sa cable, it could also be seen through AXN. Pero doon na tayo sa YouTube, diba? Miss Cosmo YouTube page. Best of luck, and I really hope na magtuloy-tuloy hanggang final 2, hanggang debate si Chelsea Fernandez, and you really need to see her evening gown kasi talagang pakak na pakak. So just enjoy, anak. You did very well. Nothing to worry about. Just pray and enjoy the journey. Enjoy the rest of your Cosmo journey. Cheers!